Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the color of a folder in Google Drive. So a folder, it is used for organizing files in a computer system. So to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So we use color in our folders to highlight our folders. So I'm going to color this folder. So I have to right click on it, click on change color, and then select the color I want it to be. So now I have selected the color red. Now the color has changed. If I want to change the color again, I have to click on it, then right click over here, then left click on change color, and then select the color I want. So this is how you can change color of a folder in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to change the color of a folder in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.